Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on HBAR. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about HBAR, and this is the monthly chart on HBAR right here. We had some little movement to the upside. It's not significant, but it's movement, and I like to see that happening. Hopefully we continue upward from here. You know, 2022 was rough. A lot of sideways action still even into this year for HBAR. But I think that's about to change. I think things are starting to turn around for HBAR. We'll have to wait and see how it plays out. In a continuation of their work on DLT-enabled cross-border remittances, Shanahan Bank, ENG, is in collaboration with SCB TechX and other financial institutions, has today announced the successful completion of a stablecoin remittance POC pilot on Hedera. The pilot achieved real-time settlement and real-time FX rate integration across the Thai baht, New Taiwan dollar, and South Korean won. The POC is EVM compatible, meaning that any EVM-based stablecoin issuers can utilize the framework going forward. The success of this pilot marks a significant milestone as banks and institutions continue to explore ways Web3 and DLT can revolutionize finance, bringing increased accessibility, security, and interoperability to the emerging digital economy. And yet, people didn't realize Hedera is built for this. Hedera and HBAR is going to be part of the new financial system. Why did Diamond Standard migrate from Ethereum to Hedera? Take a listen.
How exactly do you use Hedera?
Our initial offering was on Ethereum, and it worked well till the extremely high and unpredictable gas prices made it unviable for us as a business to run on. So we considered other blockchains, and we finally decided on Hedera. The key characteristics that helped us was obviously, we believe in the governance model. We are an institutional product. So the council-based governance model really helps us. The security, the reliability, and most importantly, the low and predictable gas prices. Added to that was the addition of the token service, which was, for us, is like a hand in glove, right? That's exactly what we needed, something we didn't need to build on our own, something that the platform provided. The way we work on Hedera is we're quite an extensive ecosystem. We rely heavily on the Hedera token service and the smart contract service. We also use the consensus service for key audit events. We are a regulated entity, and it really helps us to create an audit log, on chain. Our physical coins and bars are represented as non-fungible tokens using HTS. Now, what we're launching now is a fungible token called BitCarbon, which is a fraction of an asset token. We also have a peer-to-peer marketplace. Think of it as a centralized limit order book, which allows our participants to transact amongst themselves. We currently use USDC as the base currency, but that has been live for the last 8 months and doing pretty well.
Take notice how he kept talking about the gas fees and Ethereum, how it was high and unpredictable. With Hedera, you get what you're going to pay is laid right out there for you. It doesn't change. So in my opinion, Ethereum priced out Diamond Standard through gas fees. And we're going to see more of that happening in the future. We're going to see more projects come from Ethereum to Hedera. And take notice how he said it was very easy as well, like a hand into a glove. That's why we see so much growth around this cryptocurrency. Tokenization of real-world assets. First, let me talk about this, because I talked about this in an XRP video, and I think the same is going to happen for HBAR as well. Think of the biggest knocks on crypto. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin aren't real because they're not backed by hard assets in the real world. They're highly speculative, and the yo-yoing prices can doom unsophisticated investors. Often they're even ridiculous, with meme coins and cartoon apes selling for millions of dollars. You don't have to agree with these critics. I don't, at least not fully. But the merits of these arguments are irrelevant. Like it or not, these are some of the reasons that most banks, financial institutions, governments, and billions of normies have still not bought a lick of crypto. But what if the next generation of crypto is not made of magic internet money that non-nerds have never heard of, but the cryptographic tokenization of stocks, bonds, cars, and real-life things that people actually care about? You know why I think tokenization is going to be so important? Remember when you were always hearing about the IMF, the European Central Bank, talking about stable coins in the future and the new financial system? Well, I picture HBAR being a high-valued stablecoin backed by real-world assets sitting on the network. That can be what the outcome comes from tokenization. But again, that's my opinion. But one thing I do want to point out is the fact that Hedera is already well positioned around tokenization as well. Security token platform Toko by Hedera council member DLA Piper. One, if the world's largest law firms have already begun to tap this huge addressable market. For example, Quarter Homes are tokenizing and fractionalizing residential real estate on the Toko security token platform, which is built on Hedera. Another Hedera council member, HBAR, one of Europe's largest investment management firms, which holds approximately $655 billion in assets, has tokenized part of its 15 billion Lux sterling money market fund on Hedera. In the commercial real estate sector, Red Swan CRE, with $5 billion assets under management, is launching a token studio built on Hedera, and of course, Diamond Standard. So we already know Hedera is well positioned around tokenization. So that's a $770 trillion market in the future, according to the World Economic Forum. I think Hedera will capture a good percentage of that, sending HBAR skyrocketing in the future. But again, that's my opinion. What's your opinion on that? Put it in the comments section down below. Because what makes sense is HBAR being a high-valued stablecoin being utilized inside that new financial system. Headquartered in Kuwait, One Global. Now, One Global is funded by the Hashgraph Association as part of the Hashgraph Innovation Program together with Swiss Digital Asset Institute. OG Money is a mobile finance service platform that offers a one-stop shop for all gaming vouchers, entertainment cards, bill payments, top-ups, and other digital services. And no matter what it is, it's always tied right back to Hedera, somehow, some way. Hedera enables MetaMask approves pilot for stablecoin remittance. And again, this is just another big challenge to Ethereum. This integration comes with a host of remarkable updates, including the facilitation of HBAR transfers to and from OX accounts, enhanced user-friendliness through updated token associations, bolstered connectivity with MetaMask, and compatibility with Ethereum virtual machine tooling. MetaMask, renowned as a widely used Ethereum wallet and a gateway to flourishing realm of decentralized finance, will now empower its users to effortlessly engage with Hedera's array of decentralized applications. Hedera is going after all those projects on Ethereum, and they have a much better chance of those projects coming over to Hedera. It's a much better network. Data, analytics, gaming, e-commerce projects triumph in Hatch Web3 Accelerator. Now, these are 3 new projects also tied to Hedera. Nomus, a wallet scoring and credentials protocol for data-centric, personalized Web3 experiences. Link World is a DeFi gaming infrastructure for launching Web3 games without hampering the gaming experience through easy and seamless integrations. DropLink, co-founded by Ally Samor and Mortiza I can't even say that. DropLink is a Web3 e-commerce enabler offering simplified Web3 tools with no-code, low-code and seamless solutions. Another 3 projects coming on board to Hedera. Staking is the process of locking up HBAR in order to participate in the Hedera network consensus. By staking HBAR, users can earn rewards and help to secure the network. For this, there are some requirements. And now you see Connect Blade Wallet extension, including HBAR native staking. Blade Wallet and Decent are coming together. This is a comprehensive guide to using a user-friendly Blade Wallet together with Decent biometric hardware wallet. And staking's very important. It leads to passive income. You don't have to sell your crypto in the future. You could hold on to your crypto and earn more crypto. That's another reason I like Hedera and HBAR. Today, we're thrilled to launch our latest offering, the CBDC Innovation Kit. The MTech CBDC Innovation Kit empowers fintechs and FSPs to explore the new possibilities of digital cash. Again, MTech is another key to HBAR being tied to CBDCs, being tied to that new financial system. It's all coming together perfectly. WorldPay from FIS, 40 billion transactions, 1.7 trillion volume annually. Last week in our Hedera Corner Twitter space, we learned for the first time WorldPay has a live proof of concept leveraging Hedera for USDC. Again, FIS, another council member on Hedera, also tied to FedNow. You know, everybody's raging about XRP and RippleNet being utilized with FedNow. But I think XLM is going to be tied in there. I still think HBAR is going to be tied in there as well. FIS is the key to that. I'd like to see $3 to $5 in the next run. I think it's inevitable, just a matter of when. So what's your prediction for HBAR in the next run? Honestly, I think we could surpass $5 based on all the growth on the network. I still talk about it all the time. So much growth and no price movement. But to stay conservative, I think we'll surpass $3. What's your opinion? Let me know in the comments section down below. But right now, everything's still growing out, still expanding. I think tokenization, honestly, is going to be absolutely massive in the future. I still like to see the fact that Hedera's pushing ahead with billions of transactions as well. Everything around this cryptocurrency looks absolutely amazing. And that's why I said it's just inevitable that once we get price movement, I think it's going to be epic. But with that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.